Okay, friends, this week we're going to focus more on science. So we're going back to our motion and design unit. And for today's lesson, I think I have some pretty fun things for us to read and learn about. Today we're focusing and learning about roller coasters. So your job is you're going to read the article, the Scholastic article called Built for Thrills. So you'll click on here. You'll click on the link. Okay. It will take you to a Scholastic article that you will read. You need to read the entire article. Okay. If you scroll over onto the side, it says text to speech. You can listen to it as well. Okay, so you will either listen to it or you will read it. Okay.
Thrills. How engineers use forces and motion to design extreme roller coasters.
So you can hear that.
You wait in line.
So you can hear that it will read the article to you. Okay, you're going to read the entire article called Built for Thrills. Okay, it's all the way down here is a video you can watch of a roller coaster. The need for speed. Look at this diagram. It's going to come back into play. Wild rides, one of an early roller coaster, record-breaking roller coasters, smooth moves. Okay, your article. Then you're going to go back to the slide where it says slide 1 of 2. And it says, based on the article, what is the most important thing scientists need to think about when designing a roller coaster besides safety? So you're going to be answering your article, this question in this box. If you don't, you will have to redo it. Then you're going to come here. You're going to have this diagram, which I took directly from this article. Okay, here is that. Ooh, where'd it go? Oh, I took this diagram from the article. Okay, and it says, please read this diagram. Design of max force. Okay, you're talking about energy. Then you have to think about it. At what point on this ride, here's our ride, will the riders have will have more potential energy? Remember, potential energy is energy that is stored than kinetic energy. So there's one point here that riders will have more potential energy than kinetic energy. In this box outlined in blue, you're going to type in at what point. Please just don't have point 2. Explain why. You must explain why. I will keep that there. So you're going to type the rest of your answer below it. Okay, so if you ask me about that, I'm going to tell you to watch the video. So, for today's lesson, just a little recap. You're going to read the article, Built for Thrills. Answer this question in complete sentences. Then you're going to come over at this diagram. You're going to read all of this diagram, design of max force. And you're going to think about at what point, there could be more than one, at what point on this ride will the riders have more potential or stored energy than kinetic energy? All right, good luck.